Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shelly Saenz-Haro, and I am a realtor here in the DFW area. And I know as realtors, we're always needing to stand out in the marketplace, marketing ourselves, marketing our business so that we stay in business. And I want us to put on our realtor hat today, and also our social butterfly, that we need to be able to go and step out and introduce ourselves to people and let them know about our service. So now we have both. We have the our realtor hat on, and then we have a social butterfly, and now we roll up our sleeves to get started. And I do have an Etsy shop that I want to invite you to visit. I am selling these jumbo keys here, and you can see it's pretty big here, and the size of a standard sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11, but of course it's a little bit smaller than the 8.5 by 11, so you get an idea. But what I have where I can make these for you as well, and what I do is I'll put my business card here in the little slots to hold in place, but then I also am selling these tiny keys on my business card. I attach it, you can see here, and slide it here, and let's see if it's going to go through here. Yep. Okay, there you go, and it holds in place. And at closing, maybe you could also, if you wanted to, put maybe a Home Depot card, slide it in place, and then be able to attach the two keys as a gift and put ribbon through the hole. And you can attach it to this here and make a little bow for a little gift. Just thanking your client. But if you want to use it as marketing to get people's attention, you can do that. Or maybe at closing, you attach a gift card. Anyway, so I also want to invite you, if you're have someone you know that's selling property here in the state of Texas in the DFW area, then you can refer them to me, and we can do a referral, proper document, so that you get commission off your referral. Then also, if you have someone buying in the DFW area as well, we'd set up the proper documentation. My information will be down below, so that way you'd be able to contact me easily, and we'd be able to text and then set up the process. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.